Hold up.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Win. Win, 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 win.
Yeah.
Curve everything else. Win, 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 win.
Win.
These ops ain't lit.
Hey, so welcome back to my channel. Today we have a little bit of a different try on haul, but a try on haul nonetheless. So today we have a try on haul from Rosegal, but instead of just simply trying the items on, I'm gonna do a little bit of styling with them because they're just random pieces. They didn't really have any rhyme or reason to why I picked them. I just thought they were cute, and I'm like, when I got them, I was like, how can we make this video different? So we're gonna style them some different ways. So I'm gonna try and give every piece at least 2 different styles of how you could wear them, and I'll tell you like how I would accessorize them and create a complete look. But before I jump into this styling try on haul from Rosegal, I want to tell you about Skillshare again. If you checked out my last video with my honey hair, co-hair, I was talking about Skillshare, and that is a platform where you can teach yourself different techniques. You can teach yourself how to start your own business. That goes with building your website, building business cards, creating your logo, getting all those things in order. They have so many different tutorials on there, and like I said before, they are not like short little videos that are like brisking over the topic. They like go really in depth. They're like 2-hour classes, so you can teach yourself and really just sit down and get to the nitty-gritty and be your own boss and teach yourself all these great skills. If you use my link down below that's in the description box, you can get 2 free months of premium Skillshare. So you're getting all those classes, anything that you may want to take, it's all on their site for you to get for free for 2 whole months. So I mean, if you're not trying to help yourself, you can't expect anybody else to help you or support you. So go ahead and get yourself together. Go down to the description box, click on that link, and get yourself 2 free months of Skillshare and all the goodies that comes with that website. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so like I said, to all the items today, and if they're not from Rosegal, I ain't gonna tell you, don't even worry about it, because Rosegal probably has an item just like it on there. So go ahead and just take the pieces for what they are. Anything that is definitely from Rosegal, it will be linked down below. If we have any coupons or discount codes, that'll all be in the description box per usual. So the first 2 pieces we have is this. You think it's a skirt, don't you? Yeah, I think it's a skirt. It's a whole dress. You're gonna be styling and profiling or whatever. So, and then also this bodysuit is also from Rosegal. It is just so sexy, so cute. And I decided to pair them together because I was like, how can I style a dress 2 ways? Like, it's a dress and it's a maxi dress. It's like a boho type of feel. So I'm like, Tangeia, get your creative on. So I said, put some like Spanx or shorts or whatever under it, tuck the top part in, and make yourself a maxi skirt to disguise the top that's like tucked in or folded under, so it's just not looking like, girl, we can tell you took that in. I put a little belt over it. If I had a more bohemian style, I would definitely put that on with it. You just want a thick belt that's going to cover up the portion of the skirt or the dress that's tucked in. This bodysuit lingerie piece fits so well. The girls are sitting up, they're together. We got a little bit of cleavage going on. The lace, I felt like, went with it because we have lace on the bodice of the bodysuit, and we also have it on the detail of the skirt, so I felt like this would go really nice together. I actually tried this on with a solid black bodysuit, bomb.com, and I would definitely just play up on the boho vibes of this piece. So that is style 1, but let me tell you about the fit of everything. Fits awesome. Bodysuit, it's like a thong situation, so it's coming up, it's not like cutting me off anywhere. It has adjustable straps, and like I said, the lace is a really sexy detail piece on it. Girls up together, we live for that, we love that, and it's such a versatile piece. Like I said, we just have it with a dress as a skirt. You can wear it with skirts, pants, do whatever, or just wear it by itself and be sexy for someone. And then this dress, I'll talk about that when I actually put it on. So let's go ahead and show you this full dress in all its glory. So now you see the full maxi dress in all its so cute girly vibes. We have a color block situation going with the black and white. We have floral designs all over. The little lace and tassel detail is just so cute. It's also at the bottom as well. I thought, like, I don't know what I've been feeling these. Somebody said in one of my try on hauls that the piece that I wore looks like an old lady named Geraldine would wear it. I don't know, I'm just gonna be a fly ass Geraldine because this is kind of Geraldine-ish, but girl, she's cute. Okay, you put on a push-up bra and get the girl sitting up high. You're gonna tell me what? You're gonna tell me who? That's right, nothing. So again, this piece is really versatile. You can put a little safety pin if you want to get a little more Geraldine-esque, cover the girls up, but I had on a push-up bra with it earlier. Girl, them girls was sitting, okay? We put on a little wedge type heel situation. Ow, ow, ow. Or again, keep it cute with some flat sandals. You really can't go wrong. I really just love how this dress fits on my silhouette. It's not bringing attention to anything. It's nice and pretty much floor length. I'm 5'3", and it's not touching the floor. It's, well, the tassels are like kind of sweeping, so I think it's a really good length. It's not gonna drag or anything. So yes, this is how I would style this dress 2 different ways, as an actual normal dress and then again as a skirt. So moving on. All right, so our next piece, so freaking cute. This type of tuck has a name. I don't know what it's called, but there's a name for it. So we have these 2 pieces that are both from Rosegal. This like multi-patchwork type of shirt, like it's all one fabric, but it just looks like it's patchwork. I've styled it with some little cutout jeans and this bralette for a little peekaboo detail, and I just think it's so cute. This is actually a men's shirt, and I just think the, what do you call this, like I don't know, the black with the black and then the pop of all these different colors really just calls attention to the outfit, and it's so simplistic. You can dress it up, dress it down, wear it with heels, wear it with flats, whatever you want to do, and this tuck I think just gives it a nice little detail. So this is definitely one way that I would style this piece. Like I said, the shirt fits great. My girls are a little too big for me to like button it up normally, but again, that could be a look as well. But I'm definitely just here for this tuck and the print. It just does something with all this solid black with a little girly peekaboo detail. Like, I'm here for this look. I actually want to wear this somewhere. I picked up this shirt for my girl because this is the type of stuff that she would wear this shirt, but I'm kind of wanting to take it back now because I like this. I need to wear this somewhere. Ow. But let me go ahead and show you how I would style this shirt another way. All right, so now we have the shirt again, and we've tied it up, knotted it a little, I don't know what you call it, like Daisy Duke type vibes. So we knotted it up. The girls sitting, honey, sitting. We love when the girls sit with no bra, okay? And then we have this skirt that is also from Rosegal. I got it a while ago, so I don't even know if it's still on site, but it is from there. And really just any denim skirt, denim bottom, I think just you need a solid that could go with all this patchwork that we have going on. Another thing you could do is just pull your bottoms from any of the colors that are in your shirt just to make it pop some more, but I like the simplicity of denim, like the black on black that I had, and then this denim just to give the shirt the most attention and not bring anything else that's going around. Again, this piece you could dress up, dress down. You could wear some tennis shoes with this skirt. Again, pull one of the colors that's in the shirt for your shoes, if that be a heel, if that be a sneaker, whatever the case. That I feel would be your best bet. So another way you could style this shirt, one piece, 2 ways. We always want versatility in our wardrobe. So take it to the next piece. All right, so next we have this cheetah print dress. The print that never dies. She may go away for a little bit, but she's always gonna come back, and this year is definitely her season, okay? We've been seeing leopard print everywhere, and I went ahead and paired it with this leather fringe jacket just to give it some more pizzazz, some more detail, some more oomph. She's already like a screaming out loud print, but when you put the fringe, you're like, baby, what you gonna tell me? Nothing. So simple. You can dress this up again, wear it with some sneakers, wear it with some heels. You really pop off because this slit right here, you know we love a slit. You know we love to pop out that thigh. We hit them with the hams, okay? Posing on y'all. So absolutely here for this dress. It's so soft, it's so comfortable. This plunge, even though like the bra's out a little bit, it's like a little bit of trashy, classy mix, Tatiana type vibes, you know? I'm not mad at it. Like, it goes with the jacket, it does its thing, but of course you can use double-sided tape or use a safety pin to like pin it so it stays, because I mean, I'm not mad at it, but somebody would probably be mad at it. Like, girl, you doing too much. Let me style my style how I want to be styled. Be chill. So, but I'm here for it. Like, I love this combination. It just coordinates because black goes with everything, and the cheetah just pops it off, and again, the fringe pops it off as well. So, another way that I would style this is All right, again, making our dress into a skirt. I've doubled it with a denim top and put it a little off the shoulder just for an added style. You could use it on both shoulders, but we wanted the off the shoulder detail. I feel like the shoulder is not like the sexiest area of a woman's body, so I live for it. If this shirt was big enough, I would definitely do both off the shoulder type detail, like a little V situation right here. I'm here for it. Simplistic, cute. Again, versatility in the way you can wear pieces. It's all about styling. Wear some sneakers, you're casual, put on some heels. Girl, you, either way it goes, cheetah print just is what it is, okay? She's that bee, all right? You can't go wrong with her. You can do so much with her. So I'm absolutely loving this. And all these pieces I'm styling, I was like, oh, let me just style these for the video. No, she has to wear these pieces. I have to wear all these fits. Like, she needs to find places to go. So, but again, the fit of the dress fits so good, feels so good, so soft. Look at bun action, y'all know. Y'all know she lives for the bun action, okay? Absolutely here for it. Good midi length. I love it. And the slit is high, but she's cool. She's together. She's secure. Walk. No coochie poke. No coochie peekaboo. Okay? She's good. So, a couple more pieces to show and style for you. So let's keep it going. Alright, so now we have this bodysuit that has this like utilitarian little detail up here with, you know, the vibe of this season, this utilitarian pieces. Again, another thing that like really has a season but never really goes out of style. You can just do so much with them, but what's, you know, a little bit extra about it, this and what you wouldn't normally find this type of detail on is this, I guess it's a reptile, it's a digital print, reptile print on this very, very deep plunge, open back, wrap around top bodysuit. So this material has awesome stretch. She definitely needs a belt. It has awesome stretch, and like these jeans you definitely can find on Rosegal as well. So this open back detail is so sexy, so cute. Nothing too dramatic about it. I do wish the girls would come a little closer, or could sit a little bit closer, but because this material is just so stretchy, it's like just moving with my body, so wherever the girls fall, that's where the material stretches to. So super cute. And then the other thing that I would do with this is, because of the material it feels like swimsuit material, I would wear this as a swimsuit. So that's my two ways of styling this piece. I just think it's so cute in this blue. And you know, back rolls and all, she still got it out, okay? Who cares? Not me. Who should care? Not you. So, just get it, slay the day, slay the way, slay the way. Next. And then we have two more pieces, which will basically be styled the exact same way. So I'm gonna do the first outfit with this, and then the second one with the other way I would style the same two pieces, because they're both athletic wear. And they both have the color block situation, so cute. And these actually will stay put on your body. You can actually wear them as athletic wear, so that's definitely a bonus. They fit really nice. These pair are a lot thicker. They're more of a cotton material, hugging you in. They have a thicker waistband, so give you a little tummy cinch. Those are thinner, but still will stay put, so you can jog. And they're like the slinky, what is it? Neoprene material. So I feel like they're good for jogging, because when you got mermaid thighs like me, we need the things to just swipe past one another when we try to do a little jog, power walk, whatever we got going on. We need them things to slide without no friction, okay? So the neoprene is always the way to go. So this is how I would style it first. You know, just put on some tennis shoes, you know, be a little cute, little sexy. This is not gym appropriate, because the girls will fall out, you get a couple of bounces, it's a wrap. So this is just to be cute. You could run, you know, I mean, I don't know where you're running. I'm a thought, so I'll run some errands in it. I don't know about y'all though. So they fit really nicely, and you could definitely get a bra like this off of Rosegal as well. They have sports bras in their athletic wear section. They just fit and feel really good, and it's just simple because they're black with pops of color. We got the neon, what is this? I guess that's hot pink. It's more like a magenta-ish, and then we got this like navy blue kind of detail. So super cute. put on some tennis shoes, pull the colors out, make it pop. You can even throw a little jacket over it so you can maybe go run errands and feel a little bit more comfortable. And then I will also do it more like a leisure wear, just casual, cute, comfy, like this. Alright, so just simple kind of oversized black t-shirt. Put on some tennis shoes with it, make it casual wear, get your errands going, do whatever you need to do. Like I said, these are more slinky and a little bit more sheer, but they have awesome stretch. Both of them have really good stretch, but these have like 2 times your size stretch. So here for it, absolutely here for it. And you can just do whatever with this. Throw it on real quick and go on about your day. Clean a house in it. Do whatever. It's just really comfortable. You don't have to really worry about anything with it. And you're good to go. So that is how I would style those last 2 pieces, because they're both just athletic wear leggings. So that is all I have for you today in this Rosegal try-on haul. If you have not already, you definitely need to join the Tan Man fam. Hit that subscribe button. But what another thing you need to do is go down in the description box below and click on that Skillshare link, because you need it. You need to help yourself be great, okay? If you don't want to be great, no one else wants you to be great either. So go ahead and click that link down below to get 2 free months of premium Skillshare so you can get your business going, teach yourself a new technique. They have stuff on there with calligraphy, like handwriting and painting, and just, when I say like everything you can think it's on there. Just, you know, go help yourself. Any odd thing you may have wanted to just learn, but like, do I really want to learn it? I don't really want to pay for like a class for that. Get these 2 free months. Go teach yourself some things. You good to go. What's the risk? Please tell me. And like I said, my favorite thing to do with it is definitely using it to learn more tips and tricks with iMovie, because that is my favorite video editing software. There's different overlays you can do. You can have text in multiple areas of the screen. So I just use it to teach myself everything that I can about iMovie, because those other softwares, they're kind of expensive and they're a little bit more difficult to use. So being able to use Skillshare to help me use a software that already comes on my computer and my phone is a win. So again, they're in depth. So definitely go ahead and click that link down below. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, come join the fam. I appreciate it more than you guys know. That is all I have for you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Stay true.